2014, not working, not under warranty. We're replacing it, getting this thing out of here. We're gonna put on a new ball valve, new lines, everything. Should be pretty easy. Let's get this out of the way. New ball valve, drip tizzle, supply lizzles. Never lay the water heater on this side. It's getting crusty. We're gonna get a new one on there. Okay. What we can try to do is turn on the water. Hey, good morning. There you go. It just blows out some of the sediment. There you go, better flow. And then what gives you even better flow is taking off these. Alright, that was taking way too long, so we're just gonna do it this way. There you go. That'll drain faster. It's all concrete. tape and dope these. We're allowed to use tape on gas. I don't care what anybody says. I tape and dope. Dope doesn't really prevent leaks. Maybe a little bit. We use galvanized when it's outdoors because it's less prone to rust. Drip tees in. Yes, we're allowed to use galvanized or black iron, but you want to use galvanized because it'll rust even in a dry spot just from the air. The galvanized has a zinc coating on it, keeps it from rusting as quickly. It will rust eventually, but all right, we got the gas on. Now I'm going to shut off the building water and we're going to put on a new ball valve. I'm going to have to use jet sleds. Water's off. I need to put a hose on here. They don't have a, I don't see a, oh, here we go. We can use this to drain it down a little bit, get the pressure out. Water the plants at least. Alright, let's see if that. Not really. I don't want to get it too wet in here. Alright, let me grab a hose. Alright. Firing on all cylinders. It really amazes me that this louvered door right here is enough airflow for both of these. But they haven't had any issues. I'm gonna go in her unit and bleed. Hello. Can I open up some of your faucets, please?